try to lead it from its back up top here. Not really trying to do much else. Give it a good go. Stop. Leave the hand that, or stirrup, or use your saddle strings on the side that it's looking on.
His tail is all in.
Sorry?
He pulls his tail in.
Yeah.
Der will nicht so rumgehen.
Every time you turn, you don't want it to stop. At the start can be a little sticky.
Well, he doesn't want to use the left side now, no? Huh?
Yeah, that's Video. Come on.
Sien julle as hy bok, né? Sy hou niks voor vas nie, né? Sy, want as jy nou voor vashou, want jy outomaties hou jy jouself aan die rein, aan die ding vas. En jy trek die ding in die mond, dan word hy nog meer malla. So kom doen sy dit alles nou met die helfte. Sy hou... Ja, maar dan is jy met die perd nog nie so, en die type... Ja, die type perd sal jy mos nou nie in die veld aanry as hy so maak. Né? Sien, sy, né? Sy is net, sy hou haarself net aan die saal vas. Dat sy niks invloed by die perd het. En hou hom by mekaar met haar bene. Né? If he bucks like that, you put your legs on tightly, né? If he bucks like that, you put your legs on as well. So you...
Try to keep my legs around it
So, which holds you and gives him the forward movement.
doesn't buck because it wants to, it bucks because it's scared.
Yeah.
So putting more pressure on it doesn't help. You can get it, encourage it to go forward, then you can't really buck as hard because it can't move forward and buck at the
Yeah.
same time.